Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. Good morning. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing safe over the happy weekend. Today's video, I'm going to be making akara for my breakfast. So the beans have already been washed. I have 2 onions and 1 bell pepper. I will be rounding it off camera. It has been long I'm not eating this food. So yesterday evening I decided to make this food this morning. I soaked the beans yesterday evening before I slept. It's not evening, it's 1 o'clock this morning. I soaked the beans, which is middle of the night. I soaked the beans. So let's go ahead and make this akara. I can't wait to eat it. If you have not joined the family, please join the family. Follow me on my page, Beautiful Shine page. Okay, this is already blended, so I'm still going to blend another one. And this is already blended. Now I will be mixing it. I wouldn't like to add more water so that it will not be watery. So I have to keep mixing it. Now I will add my salt. And add a little bit of salt. Then I'll have I like to put crayfish, blended crayfish. So I'll have 2 teaspoons of crayfish. So when I'm making my akara, I like to add my crayfish inside to give more that taste I really want. So I will keep stirring it until everything is mixed together. Feel free to make yours the way you prefer. So if you like my way, go ahead and make it this way. Akara is one of the most lovely food breakfast Nigeria likes to make, So I'm going to be using it with Akara or other custards. So I will be using one of those things to make it. So it's my breakfast. I can't wait to eat it because it's really long. I'm not eating it. It's really long. I'll keep stirring it. My oil is already done. I will put it in the roll lid so that the akara will not get burnt. So I have to turn it. Just put it in the roots, lower it so that the akara will not get burnt. If you have not yet followed my page, please do, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Beautiful Shine TV. and the page name also is Beautiful Shine TV, and the second channel also is more sweet mobile food. The same thing with Facebook. I have 2 Facebook page and 2 YouTube channel, so don't hesitate to follow me on this channel. Thanks for your love. I really do appreciate you guys in support. God bless. Okay, this one is ready. I have to remove this right now. On this, I'm going to be using big spoon. My breakfast is ready. As you can see, my Akara here. The Akara is, oh wow, as you can see. Thank you for joining me for today's video. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to follow me on my page. Until I come your way next time. Bye bye.